In this video, we will walk through how to navigate the Hyak file system. The first thing you'll want to do is open the command line interface on your device. Each command prompt will look different depending on its operating system and shell terminal. To log into Hyak, use the SSH command followed by your UWIT ID. Your Hyak command prompt should look something like this. The first part is your username. Your username describes who you are on the server. This should be the same as your UWIT ID. The second part indicates that you have logged into one of Hyak Klone's cluster login nodes. The tilde represents where you are on the file system. When you log in, you always start in your home directory, which is abbreviated as a tilde. Use a pwd command to view the path to your current directory. Your path represents your location on the cluster. Use cd followed by the path to the directory you want to go to change directories. A useful shorthand to move up a single directory is cd followed by 2 dots and a slash. Use a pwd command to view the path to your new current directory. When logging in, you start in your home directory tilde. Using the shorthand cd with 2 dots and a slash takes you to the parent directory, called home in this case. Using the shorthand cd command takes you up another directory to mmfs1. Using pwd once more confirms that you have moved up another directory. Using the shorthand cd command once more changes your directory to the root directory, abbreviated as a slash. Use a cd command to go back into the mmfs1 directory. mmfs1 is a mounted file system containing most of the data on Hyak. It is a separate cluster specifically for storage known as a parallel file system. Using the ls command will list the contents inside mmfs1. mmfs1 holds all the home directories for all users. Each user has 10 GB in their home directory, so only essential configuration files should be saved here. The SW directory stands for software. Shared software such as modules or containers are stored here. Each Hyak allocation group also has a shared storage directory under the contrib directory in software. Each Hyak allocation group has a dedicated storage space under gscratch. One Hyak resource unit known as the slice purchased includes 1 TB of storage. The storage capacity will be located in a separate directory in gscratch. For example, if you have an STF account, your dedicated storage space will be located under the STF directory under gscratch. Alternatively, there is free community storage located in the scrub directory, also under gscratch. The total storage on scrub is limited to 100 TB with an individual storage limit of 10 TB. However, 10 TB of storage may not be available depending on the usage of other users. Additionally, files stored here are automatically deleted after 21 days if they are not being used. Be sure to save your work in a permanent location, such as your group storage under gscratch or a separate device to avoid losing important files. Use cd to enter scrubbed. You can make a directory for yourself with the makedir command. Input makedir followed by your UWIT ID into the command line. This can be your working directory while you learn how to use Hyak. Use pwd to see where you are in the file system. Whenever you want to access this working directory, use cd followed by this path. cd into the root directory, which is abbreviated as a slash. Using the ls-l command allows you to view the contents of a directory along with the metadata associated with each file. The first column of the ls-l output shows the file's permissions. The term root here indicates the owner of the file. The second root indicates which group the file belongs to. The large number after this is the size of the file in bytes. The modification date of the file is also displayed. The last line of the output is the name of the directory. When you use ls-l, you may notice light blue directories pointing to darker blue ones. These are symbolic links. Symbolic links are shortcuts that point to another file or directory. For example, to reach the scrub directory, you would normally use a longer path starting from mmfs1 and ending at scrubbed. However, because of this symbolic link, you are able to access the scrub directory using a much shorter path. Change back into your home directory by using the cd command followed by tilde. Once again, you can use ls-l to see a long format list of files and directories. Using ls-a allows you to see hidden files. These files will usually be configuration files that can remain untouched. Hidden files will start with a period. Additional ls options are explained in detail by using the ls-help command. Alternatively, man ls will provide additional details regarding the ls command. Both -help and man can be used with any command to access its manual or help information. Use Q to exit this page. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about research computing at UW, please see the video description for links to information pages or email help@uw.edu.